Master Resell Rights. Explained for beginners, is MRR actually worth it in 2026? Everyone is talking about Master Resell Rights right now. MRR is everywhere. But before you spend a single dollar, before you make a single decision, you need to hear the part that most people skip over. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to break down exactly what MRR is, how it works, what it really pays, and whether it is actually worth it for a complete beginner in 2026. No hype, no pressure, just the honest truth from someone who is actively building with it right now. My name is Chillstar08. I am a 20-year Union Electrician, wife, mom, and grandma, who built a faceless digital business from my phone with zero tech skills. And Master Resell Rights is one of the primary income streams inside that business. So let me break this down the way I wish someone had broken it down for me. Master Resell Rights means you purchase a digital product, a course, a training program, a digital guide, and along with that product, you receive the legal right to resell it and keep every single dollar of the profit. Not 30%, not 50%. 100% of every sale goes directly to you. So here is how it works in practice. You purchase a course for $500 that comes with Master Resell Rights. You now own that course. You can sell it to someone else for $500 and keep the entire $500. That person can then sell it too. The product has value, the training is real, and you are the business owner, not a middleman collecting a cut. No inventory, no shipping, no physical product to store or manage. Just a digital file, a payment link, and a system that runs from your phone. Now let me answer the question I get asked the most. Is MRR a pyramid scheme? Is it even legal? Here is the straightforward answer. Master Resell Rights is a completely legitimate business model that has existed in the digital product space for decades. What makes it legitimate is this. There is a real product with real value. A real course that teaches real skills. You are not paying to join something empty. You are purchasing a digital asset that you own outright and can sell as many times as you want. Now I will be honest with you. Not every MRR product is worth buying. Some are low quality, some are overpriced, some come with no support and no community. That is why the system you choose matters enormously. The Legacy Builders program is the MRR system I personally use and recommend. It comes with the product, the training, the sales page, the marketing scripts, and a full community of people who are actively selling and growing together. You are not out here alone trying to figure it out from scratch. Let me talk numbers because this is where MRR becomes real for people. Legacy Builders has tiers ranging from $100 all the way up to $1,400. Every single tier pays 100% commission. Direct to you. Same day. No waiting for a monthly payout. No percentage taken by a middleman. One sale at the entry tier puts $100 in your pocket. One sale at the premium tier puts $1,400 in your pocket. If you make 2 sales per week at the mid-tier, that is over $800 per week coming in from a digital product on your phone. Without clocking in anywhere, without showing your face, without a boss. That is not a fantasy. That is the math of owning a digital asset. Here is what I want you to understand about MRR versus regular affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote someone else's product and earn a commission, usually between 20 and 50%. You never own the product. You depend on someone else's funnel, someone else's follow-up, someone else's pricing. With MRR, you own the product. You control the price, you run the funnel, you keep everything. It is the difference between renting a room and owning the entire house. So who is MRR for? It is for the tired professional who does not have time to create a product from scratch. It is for the beginner who wants a proven system instead of starting from zero. It is for the trade worker, the working mom, the grandma with a phone and a goal, who wants to build income that does not require clocking in. If that sounds like you, here is how to start. Step 1, join my free school Inner Circle community. Completely free, no credit card, just come in and learn. Step 2, grab the Legacy Builders blueprint. The link is in the description. It gives you the product, the training, and the system in one place. Step 3, follow the system. Create content. Share the message. Let the income build in quiet mode. Drop the word blueprint in the comments right now if this video gave you clarity. I read every single comment. And if you are ready to stop wondering and start building, everything you need is linked below. Subscribe because every week I drop new videos on faceless income, digital tools, mindset, and the softer life blueprint. Next video drops Tuesday. Do not miss it. I am Chillstar 08, your faceless wealth architect of silence. See you in quiet mode.